travelers, we have made our way into Paula Deen's Lady and Sons restaurant here in Savannah, Georgia. We are about 4 hours away from Windermere, and we just about 4.5 hours away from Asheville, North Carolina, where we just left. So we decided to have a little dinner and try Paula Deen's again. Yeah, you know, but hey, they got good, and I broke. I got sweet tea. Michelle's good. She got water. But I broke and got sweet tea. But this is our second time here, and we can't wait to see what she has to offer us, because now it's actually family style, no longer a buffet. So come along and let's see what the Lady and Sons has to offer us today. The way the menu now works, it's no longer buffet, it is family style, but you pick, we are going to do the Georgia pick 4 there. So we pick 4 of the meats right here, and then 4 of the sides, and then you get dessert at the end, and each one of us gets their own dessert. So we have decided on the meats, of course, fried chicken. What else did we decide?
You get a dessert that's served at the table.
Oh, okay. I thought it says everyone gets one. That's what it says there. Do I read that wrong? Okay. It says everyone gets one.
Oh, maybe I was talking about the sides.
Okay. We're walking our way through it.
You're
Okay.
exactly right.
Because I know I'm getting some ooey gooey butter cake right there. And then you have to decide between banana pudding and the cobbler. So what are the 4 meats that we are getting? The fried chicken.
Yeah, that's a given. The beef pot roast.
The beef pot roast.
The chicken fried pork chop.
Yep.
And the chicken and dumplings.
Sounds great. And then the sides, we are getting the cream potatoes, the colored greens, the baked mac and cheese, and of course right over here the broccoli casserole. And then of course dessert after that. It is all you care to enjoy of the items that you pick. You can't change items once you pick items, like Michelle explained to me nicely.
Sure who would even ask that aside
I
from you.
would, because I think it would be like a buffet.
In the menu, very specifically.
I know.
Pick 4 and pick 4.
I know, but like when you go to other restaurants and it's like family style.
Not true. It's not.
I know.
Like that.
I
That's not
know.
how
You're
it's
right.
supposed to be.
So we decided to stop by and give Lady and Sons a try again. This will be our second time here. And then on the back of the menu right here, they got the adult beverages. Or as we like to say, the libations right here. Last time we ate here, I had to sit at the window and look down at the parking meter so I could continue to feed it. Okay. And this is what we have gotten. Okay, so these are the smothered pork chops. Of course, collard greens right there, an essential for any good southern meal, along with macaroni and cheese, broccoli casserole, pot roast and white rice, mashed potatoes right there, and of course fried chicken and one of Michelle's favorite chicken and dumplings right there. So we cannot wait to give all this a try.
So you want to go try to pick up things?
Yeah. And that, oh my gosh, that is smothered. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let's get to eating some of these food. Yeah, not yet. Okay, so Michelle's got hers. What are you trying first?
The chicken and dumplings?
Chicken and dumplings, of course.
Well, I would have waited.
I know. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
We left the tripod in the car. Those are good. Nice and thick. Not like your grandmother's, though. Not like your grandmother's. Okay, travelers, we have just finished up our dinner here at Paula Deen's Lady and Sons. She's bringing in our check. She was fantastic. Do you mind being on camera?
You're fine, baby.
She is fantastic. If you can, Tasha. Sa.
It's a different language. You're okay.
That's okay. It's okay. So,
Sahai.
Sahai.
Yeah.
So if you can find Sahai and she's here, make sure you get her. She is one of the best servers I've ever had.
Oh,
Honest and friendly. And you can't ask for anything better than that. So thank you so much,
Thank
Sahai.
y'all. It was a pleasure having you.
It was a pleasure. Thank you.
In your cake, you have to look through the back.
Yeah. So I got the ooey gooey cake right there.
Yeah, that looks right.
And Michelle got a thing of banana pudding.
I just got banana pudding.
The
We
banana
have to
pudding
go.
right there. We got them to go because we really did get
Tired.
full.
I want to get on the road.
This is Southern food, but you got to remember anything with Southern food, if you've ever been raised by a Southern grandmother, like this one over here, it's good, but it's not your grandmama's Southern cooking.
Actually, some of the dishes were that.
Yeah.
The pot roast and the rice was.
Oh, that was
it
dead
right
on. Dead on.
The mac and cheese was wonderful.
Yep. Oh, the mac and cheese, I had 2 servings of it. It was so good.
Casserole was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
It was good.
Smothered pork chops. It's all good Southern food. So we enjoyed ourselves. We're getting ready to get back on the road, travelers. And until next time, like we always say, travel and adventure is out there. Of course, they even have their own retail store, some Savanna merchandise, and of course, cookbooks and flavorings. What everybody needs. And they say that they still come and visit. She was actually here last week for dinner because one of the sons, and I cannot remember who it is now, Bobby or Jamie, they do a Monday through Friday restaurant. Yeah, the one son does the chicken box, which is Monday through Friday for lunches. And they kind of with their home cooking of what Paula started out with when she did the brown bags. But this is the retail shop of the Lady and Sons.